Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So let's add our GABLE column connection. So let's take a look at our design and see if we can get the connection. All right. Okay. Apparently there is no GABLE column connection to the rafter. So we just have to add that column ourselves. Should not be a hard process. So let's go to our connection vault. Let's go to, okay, let's just put that back. Let's go to our connection vault. Under our connection vault, this is what we want. We come to this point. Okay, so we want the moment end plate or the single-sided. All right, so moment end plate it is. So from here, let's just minimize that. Okay, or rather, let's just isolate this connection so that we can see more clearly. Go to our quick views. All right, then from there, let's go and do our connection now. Okay, moment and plate. All right, select that. Select what is getting connected to the rafter and hit enter. All right, then from there, let's minimize this. Okay, let's come to our connection. Okay, so let's edit our connection, guys. So we go to bolting and plate thickness. We want this to be 12. As you can see, the thickness has changed. All right, then from there, plate height, we want projection. Okay, so we need to create those welding gaps, so welding allowances. So that is supposed to be -6, and then that is -6 as well. Okay, from there we go to bolts and holes. So we need diameter 20 bolting type, should be bolt and nut, that's XOX, that's that. Grade correct. Horizontal bolting, okay, here projection, center distance 90, and then the edge projection, we want these to be at 0. Want these to be at 0. As you can see, we still have got okay, that should suffice. That should suffice. I think that should suffice. All right, then center distance 90 should suffice. Vertical bolting, I think 3 will be fine there. Let's just remove this other one. Let's put this at centered, and then as you can see, we still have got a lot of space, a lot of meat there on the sides on the ends of the boat, so we can change our intermediate distances to 100 or even 110 or even 120. Remember, guys, we're just doing this connection from the head, so yeah, I think this connection has been successfully created. Then we can add stiffness. We can add stiffness. Let's see our stiffness there. Okay, we need stiffener 1 and 2. Those are the one that we need. All right, let's add our stiffener. We need a full one, and thickness should be, let's say, 10. All right, we wouldn't want it like that. Horizontal on the top, that's how we would want it. So let's go to stiffener number 2 at the bottom. Put it at full, thickness 10, and then horizontal Okay, that's how we want it. I think that is set. Stiffener chamfer, you can add and check all these things, guys, that you want to, have fun with and edit and see how it goes. So I think for this connection, we are done. So let's just bring everything back and propagate our connection. All right, everything has been brought back, and then let's propagate our connection. Propagate connection. As you can see, the connection has been added there. Okay, that side, it hasn't been added, so let's copy the connection, select that, enter, select the rafter, that's the connection order, select the rafter, enter, select the column, enter. All right, select rafter, enter, select column, enter. Okay, so our connection, guys, has been added on all the 4 gable columns. Our connection has been added on all the 4 gable columns. So that's it for this episode, guys. On the next episode, then we start adding connections to the vertical bracings. Cheers.